Hi, this is Terry from Priority One Computers at 3960 Quadra Street here in Victoria. Just giving you guys a detailed look at what we're doing for a client here as they want to move to another computer, one of our refurbished Lenovo's, and they want to transfer it from their old computer and then for us to upgrade it. So here's just a quick look of what we're doing for them. All right, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to open this guy up, and then we're going to put in this new 1 terabyte solid state drive, and then upgrade the machine's RAM to 16 gigabytes. After that, we'll close it all back up, and we'll load in a fresh copy of Windows 11 Pro.